Hi teens, this is Sarah with the teen department. Today we're going to learn how to make a lanyard. So you're going to need some fabric, marker, Sharpie, something to measure out and mark your fabric, scissors, keychains, and I used this time instead of a ruler a sewing measuring tape because it had more length to it, and then also an iron. So you're first going to measure out your fabric. You need it to be 3 inches wide by 40 inches long. And then your first step is to fold your fabric piece in half and iron it. And then after you fold it in half, you'll have that crease in the middle. So when you unfold it, the 2 edges you'll fold in toward the crease. And then you're going to iron that. And then once you have that finished, you fold it all together in half and iron that. And then what you're going to do is sew the open edge side first. And you just want to get it pretty close to the edge of your fabric and just make a straight stitch all the way down. And then do the other side that's the closed end the same way. So after you get it all sewn together, then we're going to put the keychain on there. So you'll fold it to where it's like this, and then you're going to slide your keychain on there, and you're going to leave a 1/2 inch of the bottom part of the lanyard sticking out, and then you're going to fold that over, and then you're going to slide your keychain down into that part that you folded over, and then fold it again, and then just readjust the keychain accordingly. And then you just stitch back and forth. I did 3 or 4 times at that bottom part to keep that nice and secure. And then you have your lanyard. You can attach keys, a badge, whatever you want to it. And that's it.